One of the most exciting features of this resource, and one that distinguishes us from other providers, is the PBL approach that can be integrated into each one of the units very easily if you choose to as a school. Of course, as part of our work with the curriculum reform as authors, quite often what works really well is for students to be able to create a project or do a project alongside the learning. So having both explicit learning aspects, but also where they produce something. So even if you've never taught PBL before and you're not trained in it, Commerce really lends itself very well to it. And we've done all the work for you. All you need to do is basically use the PBL programming aspects and insert them into your regular program and run it from there. I'll show you what that looks like in a sec. So we've done all the work for you. All you need to do is copy and paste each one of the rows and place it into the programs we've provided. And even if you're unsure about what to do, it really explicitly tells you what needs to happen. You can share that with your class, and it provides all the different links. For example, it ties into the Project Zero materials, which we know that a lot of schools are using within New South Wales, and you can run a PBL project so easily, just following through, and a really great learning tool for both students but also teachers who really want to upskill themselves and be able to understand how to run PBL projects at their school. And of course, we provided all the additional modifiable PBL elements that are needed. For example, a student contract, because quite often they'll complete the activity as a team. And of course, we want to outline their responsibilities and make sure it's a success. But we also have reflections that are provided, very modifiable, very easy to load onto whatever learning platform that you use. And so you don't actually need to do any additional work to be able to run a PBL project at your school. And this is an example of the reflection sheet. It also has an element that allows a student to self-reflect and score themselves, which is really, really valuable. Of course, if it's too long or you want to add additional questions, you can delete and add very, very easily as a teacher. And of course, load it to your learning platform if that's what you'd like to do.